Good to be with you, everybody. I'm Sissy Gutierrez with your local weather report from the One News Weather Center. And it is brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. Let's begin with a quick look at your headlines across the area. Dry and warm scenario. And during the next few days, next couple of days, conditions quite beautiful. Clear and cool overnight tonight. Above average temperatures topping out over the weekend. Fabulous conditions. Hope you get to enjoy some outdoor activities throughout the weekend. Temperatures maxed out this afternoon. 84 in Ephrata, the low 53, and the sunset 7:30 this evening. And across Moses Lake, temperatures, the high 85, the low around 49, and that sunset already 7:29. Temperatures across the area right outside your door still hanging in there around 80, lower 80s. That wind out of the northeast at around 8 miles per hour under mostly clear skies. Quick look at what we can expect or what we are experiencing across the area. Dry conditions, mostly clear skies, that cloud cover just across the border of Montana into Canada, and dry weather is expected to continue overnight tonight with that high pressure system firm in control across the region. Now that system expected to flatten out, and that will give way to a weak weather system possibly by Monday into midweek to bring some more seasonal conditions, temperatures across the area. Bit of a precipitation scenario, and that could be spilling over into the inland northwest section with some cloud cover. Here's a quick look at what we can expect this Saturday afternoon with partly to mostly clear skies. These temperatures in the upper to lower 80s. Ponderay 84 with mostly clear skies, and so will be the case in the Tri-Cities area. Taking a closer look across the basin, we are definitely going to be enjoying some beautiful weather out there for this Saturday afternoon with mostly sunny skies. These temperatures expected to top out around the mid to upper 80s. Here's a quick look at the conditions for the next few days. So warm temperatures dominating through this Sunday. Now that weak weather system could possibly bring some cloud cover to our immediate area, but notice the temperatures heading back to the lower 80s, upper 70s as we head into mid to the latter part of the work week with mostly sunny skies. Fortunately, no major weather storm systems in the forecast. This segment brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. We'll be right back with sports.